Hi, welcome to this Pen Publishing Interactive WordPress video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to one-click install WordPress in Plesk with the WordPress toolkit. Let's get started. So I'm already logged into my Plesk environment. And before we get going, I'm going to show you what my domain points to right now. I have nothing set up, so it's just a default server page here. Now, once I am, in my Plesk environment, you'll see these options if you have the WordPress toolkit installed. Obviously I see WordPress and I'm just going to hit install. Once I do that, the WordPress toolkit will begin its process and it's going to download and unpack the latest WordPress files. Then it's going to create a database for me. It's going to initiate the instance and it's going to secure the instance. Again, this is very, very simple to do, and I'm glad that WordPress toolkit exists because it just makes this a lot easier. So all that's done. Once it's done, the WordPress toolkit will ask me if I want to install any plugins. I don't at this moment, so I'm going to hit no thanks. Once I do that, my website is created, and I'm just going to go in here and reload. You will see that it will now render my WordPress site. So there is that. So now the other cool thing is that the WordPress toolkit created all that for me, so I can just hit this login button and it's going to automatically log me into WordPress. So now I can go in here, and if you're familiar with WordPress, obviously this is all familiar to you. But that's how to install WordPress on Plesk with the WordPress toolkit. Hope you learned something today. For more information, you can visit us at penpublishing.com. You can shoot us an email at sales@penpublishing.com. If you're on social media, we're on Facebook and Twitter. Like us and follow us there. And if you're watching this on YouTube, we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel. Just hit the red button. Thank you for watching. Until next time.